Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So chefs, since we are in the football season, I'm going to make an Atlanta Falcons sub. I've had it in the past and it was so good that I had to make it at home. So let's check out the ingredients I used for this recipe. I have some Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some mango peach preserve, some Texas Pete hot sauce, some crispy chicken fry chicken batter mix, and 2 subs bread. I have 1 brown egg, but you can use any egg of your choice. Some confectionate sugar that I've placed in a shaker. Some vegetable oil. Some silk almond milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. I have some dry parsley. I have some turkey bacon, but you can use any bacon of your choice. Some paprika. I also have some chicken tenders that I have cleaned in some water and vinegar solution. I'm starting off by covering both sides of the chicken tenders with my Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning. I'm doing the same with the onion powder. I'm repeating the previous step with the garlic powder. I'm doing the same with the paprika. I'm also covering my chicken tenders with some dry parsley. I'm going to allow my chicken to marinate and infuse all the juices. Now I'm adding about 3/4 cup of the crispy chicken batter mix to a bowl. And I'm also adding the same amount of flour. I'm going to mix the 2 ingredients and set the bowl aside. So for this recipe, you only need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayo. I'm using my lactose-free homemade mayo, but you can use any mayo of your choice. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of the Texas Pete hot sauce. Then I'm going to mix the ingredients. And you can make your mayo as spicy as you want. In a separate bowl, I'm going to beat 1 egg and set it aside. You can even add an extra egg. I'm mixing in about 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm preheating about 2 cups of vegetable oil on medium heat. This is totally optional. I'm lightly sprinkling some onion powder and paprika to my flour mix. Once the oil is ready, I'm dipping my chicken tenders in my egg mixture. Then I'm coating it with my flour mixture. And the last step is to place it in the oil. I'm repeating the same steps with all the chicken tenders. I'm going to let them cook until both sides are crispy and brown. Make sure to flip them once one side is brown. You can put as many as you want, enough to fill your pan. My pan holds 4. You can also use your air fryer for this chicken. These are just about done. This is the color that I'm looking for. Crispy golden brown. I'm removing them from the oil and I'm placing them on some paper towels to drain the excess oil. Next, I'm frying a few slices of turkey bacon. You can use any bacon of your choice. For my next step, I'm cutting my chicken fingers into smaller pieces. Alright, let's make this Falcons sandwich. I'm slicing the middle of the bread and I'm going to cut the bread in half. I'm covering one side of the bread with my spicy mayo. On the other side, I'm spreading the mango peach preserve. I'm also covering one side of the sandwich with my pieces of chicken fingers, and you can add the chicken on either side of the sandwich. Let's not forget the bacon. I'm adding them on the opposite side of the sandwich. So lastly, let's make it rain with some confectionate sugar over the chicken. Last step, let's close the sandwich and see how it looks. So chefs, let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this sandwich? And also, would you try it? So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.